Welcome back to the video. Today I'm playing Candy Crush Simulator, so let's get into it. Loading. I don't know why it's like that, like I can. There we go. I just got a badge, guys. Is there a way to check if we get badges? And like, what's the badge for? Report and what? Yeah. Gate 4 is this way. 5, yep. It's so busy at this airport, guys. Wonder why. If you guys, in case I'm wondering, I am playing my phone by, which is why my character looks a little different. Here we are. New York City. Departs at 17:40. Arrives at 1:25 a.m. next day. Started boarding. Passengers are now boarding the aircraft. This is my first time playing it, so don't mind. This is my first time playing it on my phone, so don't mind doing a bit. I like to welcome them and greet them. Welcome, please enjoy the flight. Welcome, please enjoy the flight. Welcome, please enjoy the flight. What? Don't know. Welcome, please enjoy the flight. Wait, oh, I do need to close this up. Put these in.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain from the flight deck. Welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt sign should remain off for most of the flight. Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard flight 5317 to New York City. Please take your assigned seat.
Also, guys, it's like,
Ladies and gentlemen, all cellular devices must have airplane mode turned on. Thank you.
so let's start this record.
We have reached our cruising altitude.
Do you want
Flight attendants should start
peanuts
their in-flight service shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the
and
flight.
coffee? Do you want
Ladies and
chips?
gentlemen, this is your captain from the flight deck. It looks like we're going to experience some light turbulence for the next couple of minutes. At
Peanuts?
this time, please ensure your seatbelt is safely fastened. Thank you.
Ooh, turbulence.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have started our initial descent and will be landing soon.
Thank you.
Thanks for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon. Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival.
Oh, what's it mean that I got Robin person involved. Hey, like those doing this part because well, it's fun. I thought the guy with the grumpy red grey beard would be doing it. I don't know, it's fun. I don't know if there's lots of things that it's called the plane. And then got a key in the window. I thought we were not Monday here, so when? Yes, it's Wednesday the 6th. As soon as I land, guys, I will end this video. But to let you know, guys, before I end this video, I'm going to say, guys, when I land, I will end this video, but before I end this video, I just want to let you guys know, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching me. If you guys in the next video, make sure to like and subscribe. Goodbye.